install a new layer 2 system, just take this little gem right here, set it right on there. Take and mark that with a marker where your spot's going to bolt right in. Take a drill bit smaller than the provided security screw. Make sure your tip is smaller. Here's an example of a bit that I used, a drill bit. So make sure it is smaller in diameter than the screw. Drill your hole. Insert your screw. And the only time I say you can use a drill is to tighten this thing down. So just try and get it started a little bit. Then go ahead and snug this thing down. There you go. Now give it a couple of test pulls. Make sure they're not go anywhere. Just like that. Then we'll go ahead and install our plate right on top. Put your 2 screws in, and now you have, if they get across that, they get that out somehow. Now you have 2 layers of protection.